Hello students, welcome back to our most valuable illustration series. In this video, we're going to see this question, which is a quite important question with respect to combination of concepts of SHM plus friction. To solve this question, you should have a clarity on both the concepts of SHM and friction. So, let us read the question first. A block of mass m is over the block of mass capital M, and small m is attached to a spring as shown in the figure with having spring constant K. The coefficient of friction between the two blocks is mu. Okay. Considering the two blocks oscillate together, that's a quite interesting point, that they oscillate together. Find out the maximum possible amplitude for combined oscillation. Find out the maximum possible amplitude for combined oscillation. The floor is smooth. Here the floor is given as smooth. So what is there in this question, students? One is maximum amplitude. That means for combined oscillation means these two blocks should be moving together. They should not get separated. If they should not get separated, the only force that is acting on this capital M block, its floor is smooth, in the horizontal direction is only friction here. So friction is only responsible for the movement of the lower block capital. So but can that friction be anything? That means can that friction be any amount? No, it's not possible. There's a limitation to friction. If the block is not slipping with respect to small m, they both should move together. They both have to move together. So that means we have to see the condition for here. Both blocks should go together. That means they should not slip with respect to each other. That is, using friction we can solve that point. And second, the force exerted by the spring force will be maximum on this. The maximum possible force is equal to, if it is executing SHM, it is equal to F is equal to minus K. Minus indicates opposite to the direction of displacement. That is K into A is the amplitude. Amplitude is the maximum displacement. So the question is asked is, find the maximum possible amplitude. That means if you get maximum possible force there, that can be exerted so that the blocks do not slip with respect to each other. From friction concept, then you can substitute with F max is equal to minus into K. That means you easily can get amplitude is equal to F by K here. So let us solve this question here, students. So if you see the small m, capital M, on the lower block, if two blocks are going together means I am considering two blocks are going together is, that means maximum external force that can be possible is equal to m plus m into acceleration maximum possible, because both blocks are going together. So then I can write this as m plus m into maximum acceleration is equal to net external force, that is maximum possible force, which is provided by here spring force. Then what did I get? Maximum possible acceleration is maximum possible force by small m into capital M. I got maximum acceleration possible. But this maximum acceleration should be provided by only friction for second block here. The friction is mu into m is small mg, the normal reaction in this surface. In this surface is n, that n is equal to small m into g. That mu mg is providing the maximum acceleration possible, that is equal to capital M into acceleration maximum possible is maximum force by small m plus capital M. So now if I can take the maximum force possible here, it will be m plus m into mu mg divided by capital M. So I got the maximum possible force so that the blocks can go together. this is using friction concept, because whenever two blocks, block on block problem is there, you have to see the critical block. The critical block is the second block, capital M, because on this only friction is present. Whatever the acceleration that is possible on capital M is only caused due to friction. So I have written the maximum acceleration, maximum friction force is equal to mass into acceleration maximum that we have derived using if both blocks are going together. So I got the maximum force. This maximum force is actually provided by the spring force. That spring force is equal to how much? K into, in magnitude wise I am writing, direction will be in this direction. If it is extended, if it is compressed in this direction. So Ka will be the K into amplitude is the maximum possible force exerted by the spring force. Then this maximum amplitude is equal to this force by K. I can write this as M plus M into mu mg by M into K will be my maximum possible amplitude. Now what did we do, students, here? The first important concept is both are going together. Then I found out the acceleration and I got maximum acceleration possible. Then that will be maximum force divided by possible force by M plus M. Now the point is that acceleration per second block is caused by only friction. So friction force is mu into mg here, maximum limiting friction here, limiting friction. That should be equal to mass of the second block, that is lower block, into acceleration of the lower block. If they both are going together, the acceleration will be F max by M plus M. So now from here I got the maximum possible force. This is friction concept. Now this maximum force is equated with K into A in SHM. Then maximum possible amplitude you will get as M plus M into mu mg by mk. I hope this is clear for you. In this way, mutual concepts, that is multi-conception, you can combine friction along with SHM and you can solve this problem. So I hope these kind of similar questions can be solved by you, and also you will see many more complicated problems which are solved in an easy manner in this most valuable illustration series. You can follow our channel and enjoy the experience of learning with the students. Thank you very much.